forward. Looks like he's bogged down there. But got that done yesterday. Getting that done. It's got this little piece left here and that little piece down by the trees. And yeah, it looks really good. It's a little bit hard to do right now. We're not getting very good penetration in the ground, mostly because of these. There's hundreds and hundreds of thousands of these things. So I set it to only go like 4 or 5 inches. So yeah, he's swinging downhill now, and the camera's shaking because the camera's messed up. He's got a 1941 Ford 9N and a really, really old Massey Ferguson plow. This is my rig. He's just using it. Yeah, he's doing a really good job. And the camera's twitching again. But yeah, there's a lot of long grass. So here, hold up, Nate.